This way,
This way. Okay, here, let's get this show on the road. Now, the rules of the arena are very simple. Each man will play one complete game of Satan's Hollow, and at the end of the game, the man with the highest point total will be the winner.
I'm gonna kill you. Go for it, Patchhead.
Hey, come on, players. In position, ready to start game. Tokens, please. Ready? Start game! Okay, Dorfus, come on, let's go, Dorfus. Dorfus, what are you doing? Dorfus, what are you doing? It's time to play. Come on. Dorfus, come on, eat the hot dog and let's get started. Okay, come on, Dorfus, come on. Play the game, Dorfus. Dorfus, play the game. Play the game, Dorfus. Come on, God. Come, Dorfus, watch out. You're about to be hit, Dorfus. Oh, yeah. Dorfus. Dorfus, come on. Here's your second man. Now, come on, Dorfus. Dorfus, play the game. We're gonna do this. Come on, we gotta win. Come on, Dorfus, get going. Oh, yeah. Great. Dorfus, what are you doing?
You're down to your last man, Dorfus.
Dorfus, there's only one man left. What are you doing, Dorfus? Dorfus, come on, there's only one left. Come on.
What's he doing? Too bad, Dorfus, too bad! I lost my candy bar. Oh, there's your man!
Dorfus, you can stop now. Hey, Dorfus, it's only a game. Come on.
No, Jeff. It's not just a game. To Dorfus, playing video games is like eating or sleeping, breathing. Things that we take for granted and never question. You ask Dorfus to stop, you don't realize that for him to give up would be for him to give up on the very impulse that allows his heart to continue beating, the blood to surge through his veins, and the air to fill through his lungs.
God, Eugene, you're making me sick to my stomach.
You have just witnessed a true champion.
Sorry you lost, but maybe it's to color your hair.
Hey, look, idiot, you can stay, but no trouble, promise?
Hey, man, a idiot never promises nothing to no one.